Smart, using technology to be more efficient. 智慧型
Innovative, introducing new ideas. 创新的
Convenient, making tasks easier. 方便的
Champion, someone who wins. 冠军
Abuse, use in a bad way. 滥用
Forecast, prediction about the future. 预报
Murphy's Law, if something can go wrong, it will 墨菲定律
Sell, to give something for money. 卖
Breakthrough, an important new discovery. 突破
Commuter, someone who travels to work regularly. 通勤族
Congestion, too crowded. 拥挤
Bet, to guess with confidence. 打赌
Keep up, stay informed or at the same level. 跟上
Invention, a new device or process. 发明